Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear pupils! Welcome to Read Your Channel. I am Teacher Rich, your reading rescuer of the day. Last time, you learned the sounds sh for shark, th for thorn, and for sing. Today, I am very excited to teach you new sounds to help you in your reading journey. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's begin!
The first sound that we are going to learn today is J. It's J. J. Good. Now, let's read words with J. Fudge. Fudge. The chocolate fudge brownie is delicious. Fudge. Badge. My teacher gave me a badge for being industrious. Badge. Bridge. She needs to cross the bridge. Bridge. Let's read the words again. J. Fudge. Badge. Bridge. Great! The next sound that we are going to learn today is V. It's V. 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 Let's practice reading words with V. Give. She loves to give chocolates. Give. Five. I have 5 pencils. 5. Love. I love my family. Love. Let's read the words again. Give. 5. Love. Very good. The last sound that I am going to teach you is W. It's W. 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 Nice! This time, let's try to read words with W. Whistle. Whistle. The child blew the whistle. Whistle. White. White. The clouds are white. White. Wheel. The car has 4 wheels. Wheel. Let's read the words again. Whistle. White. Wheel. That's good. This time, let's read all the words that we learned today. Ready? J. Fudge. Badge. Bridge. V. Give. 5. Love. Whistle. White. Wheel. That was amazing, dear pupils!
So that ends our lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed reading with me. Again, I am your reading rescuer, Teacher Rich. See you again on another fun and exciting reading lessons only here at Read Cuber Channel.